let's make t the subject in each of these relationships. So now, if you look at this term does not have t, this term does not have t, this one has. So the first thing is to separate the terms with t and those without. How do we do that? We minus u here and minus u here. This and this goes. So we have v minus u equals to at. So because we want to separate the t from a, and this is multiplication, we divide. Okay? We divide by a. So this and this goes. Your t is equals to v minus u divided by a. And that is your answer. The next one, again, the same thing. Now, let's rewrite this one as equals to, this is the same as v plus u multiplied by t, everything here divided by 2. Okay, so first, let's clear the denominator by multiplying this by 2, then multiply it by 2. This and this goes, we are left with 2s equals to v plus u all multiplied by t. Okay, now we divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is v plus u. V plus u. This goes. So my t is equals to 2s divided by v plus u. And that is your solution. Okay? Easy. The trick is that whenever you have multiplication and what you are looking for, let's say y equals to at. If you're looking for t, because this is multiplication, you divide by the coefficient of the t, so by a. Okay, but if you have y equals to a plus t, because what is separating these two is whenever you have, whether it's a plus or positive or negative sign between, what you do, you try to separate them. That's one thing you should do. In this case, you don't divide. Okay, so you either minus or you add. So this can be minus minus a, and this is minus a. Okay, this and this cancel, you are left with t equals to y minus a. In the case where you have y equals to a minus t and you have to make t, this one is a bit different because you don't want to make minus t the subject, you have to make t the subject. So what you should do to make it positive, you add t here, then you add t here. So this and this goes, you have y plus t equals to a. Now you separate the y from the t, so you see minus y here, and this again minus y. This and this goes, so t is equals to a minus y. You see? So just know the basics. Don't forget to like, share, and follow.